Religion did not fail because people stopped believing. It failed because belief became a substitute for responsibility. For centuries, religion offered structure, meaning, and restraint. But over time, many institutions traded those functions for comfort. They softened the truth, moralized weakness, and promised rescue rather than competence. Faith became a virtue. Hope became a strategy. And responsibility quietly disappeared. The result wasn't moral progress. It was dependency. Modern religion often asks very little of the individual, except belief. It reassures instead of challenges. It consoles instead of clarifies. And in doing so, it leaves people unprepared for reality. The Actulint Church exists because that trade-off failed. We do not believe meaning is revealed. We believe it is constructed. We do not believe salvation arrives. We believe agency is built. We do not believe hope changes lives. We believe responsibility does. This is not a rejection of meaning. It is a rejection of illusion. The universe does not care what you believe. It responds only to your actions. Actulint does not promise comfort. It offers structure. It does not ask for faith. It demands clarity. It does not ask for obedience. It requires responsibility. And unlike most modern churches, Actulint does not hide behind tax exemptions or moral immunity. It is for-profit, transparent, and accountable. Because if an institution claims value, it should survive on value alone. No guilt, no obligation, no illusion. If this framework strengthens your thinking, you are free to support it. If it does not, you owe nothing. That is not generosity. That is respect. This is not a religion for believers. It is a discipline for adults. Welcome to the Actulint Church. Visit us by clicking the link below.